Hey guys, it's Ravenhawk6910 reporting once again. In this review, we're going to take a quick look at the brand new KATO Amtrak Viewliner 2 baggage car in HO scale. Quickly though, let's get that disclaimer out of the way.
Read it!
In July of 2010, Amtrak placed an order of Viewliner 2 cars for Eastern passenger train service. The order included 70 baggage cars, 25 dining cars, 25 sleeping cars, and 10 baggage crew dormitory cars. Built by CFA USA in New York State, the cars were based on the successful Viewliner sleeping cars built for Amtrak in the mid-1990s. The first to be delivered were the baggage cars in March of 2015. Numbered 61,000 through 61069, they can be seen all over the Amtrak system on both the East and West Coast trains. They were also the first cars to wear the revamped Phase 3B paint scheme. KATO announced their HO scale Viewliner 2 baggage car sometime in 2021 and delivered them in April of 2022. This is the first time that this car has been offered as a ready-to-roll model, and it's typical of the quality you can expect from KATO. KATO has already offered several pieces of Amtrak equipment over the years, from superliners to motive power such as P42s and F40PHs, so they definitely know how to do a modern-day passenger train. I really need to get some of those superliners myself, to be honest. Anyway, the detail on these cars are really nice with good molded in and separately applied details. Some folks have asked me though if this model comes with interior lighting, and the answer is no, but you can add it with a lighting kit that KATO offers for separate sale. Also, one thing I should note that may be a problem for some is that KATO did not make these cars able to be upgraded with a KD coupler. In other words, the coupler box can't accommodate a KD coupler as is. There's a 3D printed kit that I've seen on various Facebook modeling groups that you can install in place of the original coupler box, and it'll allow you to install a KD coupler. I'll see how that works out for me before I take that route, as I personally haven't had any problems with KATO couplers before, but I figured I needed to at least include that detail in this review. Overall, I like this car a lot, and it's cool that it's finally being made as a ready-to-run model, especially after seeing them on Amtrak trains for the last several years. As I said, I just need to get more cars to run with it, but if that's the only problem I've got with this thing, then I'd say that's not too bad. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this review. Please be sure to leave me a like and comment down below your thoughts on this car. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so that way you'll be updated whenever I get new videos posted on here. And yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this car a lot, bottom line. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next review. This is Ravenhawk6910, signing off.